Another EAS. Wolfie, what kind of EAS is this again?
Flash flood.
You get the remote and then volume it up.
Alright.
This is getting annoying.
Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
What do you mean expected to begin short?
Storms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Miami, Coral Gables, South Miami, Kendall, and the Redland. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
This is the third EAS this day. Come on. No way.